Well, congratulations. Now that you're in contract, I want you to meet my team. Jennifer Davis is my upfront assistant. Well, she helps collect your income docs, your asset docs. She'll check if you're getting gifts or doing a 401k withdrawal, making sure that the underwriter has your file in 100% perfect condition. That's our goal up front, which is why we always want your documents as quickly as possible. Then your loan will go to my partner, Paul Dulles. He will send out your loan application for DocuSign, and he'll collect any outstanding items that you weren't able to get to Jennifer. Once he has everything that's required for the underwriter, and he does want your DocuSign back within 24 hours, we get that into underwriting to get your conditional loan approval. From there, you'll meet Kevin Hennigan. Kevin's going to take you to the finish line. He's going to do any conditions that maybe we did not have or the underwriter's questioning. He'll make sure your appraisal order's done, get the title insurance, home insurance, and schedule your loan to close with your team, your realtor, the title company, your attorney if you're in attorney state. So those are the 3 members of my team to pay attention to if you get any type of communication from. In addition, I have a manager who oversees the entire team. His name is Chad Takash. If he reaches out to you, that means there's maybe something that we have to escalate or that he's going to help out with. So please enjoy the process with my team. And if you have any questions on the rate, the program, or anything else, feel free to contact me directly. Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.